if you've been looking to get something special for your loved ones this Valentine's season, then this video is for you. And I'll be opening this box to show you the content. So let's get right to it. Now, you know that the color for Valentine is color red, the color of love. And this box is beautifully ribboned with a red ribbon. Let's look at what's inside the box. Wow. Nice. Absolutely beautiful. We have the branded towel set. So this is a hand towel, a face towel, a hand towel, and a bath towel set. Beautifully branded. And guess what? If you want to add an extra touch of love, you just put the person's name on this towel set. This is an absolutely beautiful tumbler. Look at that. And guess what? Yet again, you can personalize it and add the person's name to this. You're scoring major points by giving out these items that can be beautifully branded and personalized. This is a mug accompanying the tumbler. And then you have some cookies. You can also have any other edibles of your choice. Now, this is a beautiful 3-in-1 USB charger. And this can charge multiple devices at the same time. You don't want your phone to go off on Valentine's Day, right? Or the person you're gifting, you don't want their phone to go off on Valentine's Day. You guys want to keep in touch and just be chatting and talking or go out together. The last but not the least item right here is a beautiful personalized journal set. It comes with a journal. Oh, I absolutely love this, and the pen. So if you like any of these items, don't hesitate to get in touch with us and we'll be happy. Remember, Valentine's season is coming up soon. So don't be tardy. Bye.